Time to pick some delicious chilies. Ah,
They look perfect today.
yes, a bountiful harvest.
Alianala.
Smells just right. Smells so good. Would you like a taste?
If you like my video,
Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment on my video. Here are the fresh herbs, sir.
Huh?
Thank you very much, madam. You're welcome. I wish you hadn't left me here alone. It's so cold without you. The rain is so peaceful today. And this masala will be perfect. The perfect rainy day calls for a batch of these. The rain is so lovely today. Time to add these onions. Perfect.
First, randrabla banana malia jindrubta.
Ah, the smell of fresh rain and spices. Just a pinch more. Perfect. It's ready. Ah, these are ready. Come, try them. I made these just for you. Please have one while they're hot. Try pisi hui grand ki mirchi, made with love, just like Grand made it. Smells so good. Just the right touch of everything. It's ready.
If you liked our video,
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
and comment too. Thanks for watching.